Hi, in this video I'm going to talk about lining up your output. I'm just going to, before I even do this, let me just show you, I'll run this. I have two doubles declared, right? X is 4.321 and Y is 123.4. And then the string, the value of X is, displays then X and Y is and Y. And I'm going to run this, and I just want to show you the strings themselves are different lengths, right? So it's not really lined up at all. So the first thing that I want to talk about is when you want to line things up, try to make the strings the same length, right? You could do this, or, if you want to do this and have that aligned, you can do that. But having the strings be the same length, and maybe one has more white space in it than the other, is fine. But if they're the same length, you'll see that when it displays, this starts to look a little better. Now this doesn't look so nice. And, maybe I want to set the number of decimal places so that they're the same. So that's one thing I could do. So I have to make sure I have included IO manip, and then I'm going to use fixed and set precision. I'm going to set the precision to 2. Setting the precision to 2 will make 2 places display after the decimal point. Fixed has to be there in order for set precision to work correctly. So let's see what it looks like now. Okay, so now they both have the same number of decimal places, but I'd like to get these values so that the decimal points are aligned. And I'm going to do that with set width. Now it's important to know when you're using set width, if you use the same set width for multiple values, they'll kind of line up along the decimal point, but the set width has to be big enough. This number, 123.40, that has 6 characters in it. So the set width has to be a minimum of 6. And what you have to do to get them to align over the decimal point is use the same set width for all of the values. Now, when you use set width, you have to use it before each and every value. When you use set precision, it does it from every point here on. So now I'm going to run this. And you'll see that that looks much better. Now, I could have made the text nicer too, but I'm just trying to show you how to get these values to line up. If you use a set width that is too small, I don't know, that's not going to do anything. See, if it's too small, it just displays as it would normally display. So set width means how many positions do you want to put it in? And I could put it in, I could even make this 7. I could make it a little bigger if I want. Right? And this is just going to give me one more space over here. So we'd have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then an extra space in front of the 1 is 7. And the same set width here.